Hello guys, welcome to my next video. I'm on vacation now on Sicily. This is absolutely magical, and I'm going to go to the town of Siracusa to do some urban watercolor sketching. So I don't have any tripod with me, so my lovely husband is kind enough to be my cameraman today. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Hello, guys.
On the right. Siracusa is a really wonderful city. Highly recommend.
Your destination is on the right.
First pen and eraser. Perfect sized eraser for the tiny sketchbook I have. I'm gonna start with greens, all of the greens, and then we'll see what happens. Not sure, still.
This is what's left of yellow and green.
Oh,
Not
yeah.
much?
Not much, yeah. I wasn't expecting it to last that little. It's a little bit harder to paint here in Sicily for me because the water dries so fast. Doesn't work as usual for me. So, as you can clearly see, wet and wet technique just doesn't work as well as usual because, you know, this part is working and this part is just dried out and it's not wet and wet anymore. And I just started, so yeah, really fast drying.
It's the one.
It's brush.
It's the Italian one.
No. It's, well, it is Italian one. It's Italian, how to say it? Italian firm.
Brand.
Yeah, Italian brand Da Vinci. But it was not bought in Italy. I actually bought it in Russia.
Yeah. Yeah, but I mean, it's the Italian brand.
Yeah, this one I bought in Italy, like last week. Yeah, Cintaretto. Nice one. I will use it later for detailing.
And now you're doing the water
Yeah,
and the bridge.
I will start just with the water. Not too much attention to the water today. Just a little bit. I need more yellow, more yellow. I don't have enough yellow. All the buildings around have kind of the same color, so I mixed a little bit of dirt in it because I love to do this kind of things. Some painters really avoid muddy colors, but I kind of don't. There's a lot of dirt in real life, you know. I use tissue paper to control the wetness. This is a really important part for detailing. I can't do details without tissue paper at all. The hardest part is to stop with the detailing, because detailing is really essential, but sometimes you just need to stop or it will be too much.
Hello, doggo. So yeah, this is the final result. What do you think? Siracusa is beautiful, isn't it? So thank you for being here with me, and thank you for my beautiful husband. Yay! Thank you very much. Bye. Oh yeah, like Italian man. Okay.